Welcome to Cooking for Moms. Your regular host Charles was injured in a racing accident last weekend and is recovering in an adjacent room. My name is Naomi.
How's it going in there, sweet cheeks?
It's going. Please don't call me Sweet Cheeks.
I mean, I'm getting real hungry, so if you could just hurry this up, that would be great.
Instead of putting an end to the show, Charles guilted me into hosting until he can return. So, hooray. Today's recipe is beefy dipping sticks. Let's welcome today's guest. It's Charles's older brother, Ted.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's You know, this is kind of strange. Charles said his brother lived in Wyoming.
Charles makes up stuff like that about me because I embarrass him. I'm a poet.
Like, professionally?
Like, professionally would be an accurate description. I'm in the final year of my fellowship, and I seem to have peaked creatively.
Wow, a fellow. That's amazing. You know, I used to love writing poetry. I wasn't very good at it, but I loved writing it. So it says that you're going to read one of your poems, and I'm supposed to make fun of how gay it is.
I hate it when Charles uses that word in a pejorative way.
Yeah, I keep telling him not to, but, you know, my kid listens better than he does. So.
Your child probably has an IQ above 70.
That is accurate.
It was a joke. I could not be a poet. I could not be a poet. The life just does not suit me. 'Cause not too much is beautiful. And I just don't give a shit.
That was very interesting.
No, it wasn't. It was low-hanging irony.
Did my sister read her poem yet?
Tune in next week to Cooking for Moms, where our guest will be Charles's crew chief, Daryl. The same guy who changes my oil at Speedy Lube.